Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, online book delivery store. I am creating this project, online book delivery store. I have developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. So I got many of the requests from the many of the students. They need some project which has dual type of UI, means for admin, and there is a different UI for the user. There will be a different UI. So we created the project using two different type of UI, and both are the bootstrap theme. And also I am using latest version of Python. That Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using in this project. So this is a front end page of the project. I had developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript, some of the jQuery library. Also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project like this. You can see there is a slider and it's coming from the JavaScript, right? So you can see here categories listing like this. You can see categories like which are coming from the database. So this is a home page. You can see this is a totally bootstrap theme. This is the home page, and this is a about us page. It's a totally static page, nothing dynamic in this page. You can see this is a products page. You can see all the books which are coming from the database. Okay, so here you can see all the books. Same for categories. This is a 8 categories. Here you can see this is a totally dynamic page. Here all the categories from the database, coming from the database. You can add the number of categories from the add category or a database. This is a register page. You can see this is a register. You can register here. This is a login, admin login and customer login, and this is a contact us page. You can see this is also a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. Here we can integrate a small map. You can see. So first we log into customer account. So login, username is customer and the password is test, and now login. You must have the login account. Without login you can't buy any books from this portal. So user ID is customer and the password is test. Now log into account. Here so this is a user dashboard, like a customer dashboard. You can see here important links. You can directly open this page from here, and you can see your orders, total orders, confirmed orders, transit orders, delivered, like this. You can like this. This is a very attractive dashboard. If you want to buy some books, you can click on the shopping and the products. You can want to get science book. Now click on the view details and you can see all the details from this. And if you want to quantity too, you can add the number of quantity from here and click on the add to cart. You can see this is a cart listing page. Here you can see your books and the quantity and the total cost automatically calculated. And now click on the proceed to checkout. Click on it. This is a make payment page. This is a dummy page, nothing real in this page. You can add the any number of card number and name of card like a Visa, expiry date. You can enter anything from here, nothing real on this page. Now click on the make payment page. You can see your order summary. and the payment has been done. You can see the order summary and your details also. So now this is a, now if you want to see your order details, you can click on the my orders section. You can see your order details from the eye icon. You can see your order summary. This is a my account. Here customer or user update his account from this page, and this is a change password. Here user can easily update his password. So this is all about the front end thing. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this administration option is showing, logout option is also showing, dashboard option is showing. If I log out, you can see menu has been changed because of the session driven. Customer has login, so the system is checking who is login, and accordingly so that upper menu is displaying. So this is all about the front end panel, what we have developed inside the project. Now comes the admin panel. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin, so user ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is, I think user ID is admin and password is without login. You can't access the internal page. Click on the sign in. So this is a very attractive and great dashboard for the admin we have created for this admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, delivered orders, confirmed orders, order in transit, total products, total customers. Even this is a drag and drop thing, because you can minimize it from here like this. You can refresh the page or maximize. So here total order section, total customers, total products. This is a quick menu. You can see this is a quick menu. From here you can go on the page. You can see this is a page. All products. Now if you want to add new products, you can click on the add products. Here you can easily, or admin easily add the new products. This is a product report page. You can see, you can easily edit and delete from here. This is a, if you want to click on edit, you can see the product has been visible in edit format. You can see all the product report. You can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. If you want to hide the any column like a image, you can click on the image. You can see the image has not visible. If you want to show the image, then click on the image. You can see image has been visible. This is a add category page. Here admin can easily add the new category which has been saved here. You can add the new category from this page, and this is a category report. You can see all the category reports. You can easily edit and delete from here. This is a order report. You can see all the order reports. You can click on, if you want to edit order, you can easily here edit, and if you want to view items, you can click on the view icon. You can see the icon, order details, and this is a cancel order. If you want to cancel the order, you can click here. This is a registration page, add register to account. Here customer easily register from this page, and this is a customer report page. You can see all the user report or a customer report from this page, and this is a change password. Here admin can easily update his password, and this is a logout. So this is a admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different type of view for managing this whole project, online books delivery store. So this is all features we had developed inside the project. If you want any type of enhancement, any features, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So don't forget, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.